Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to delete the user with home directory using GUI mode in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system. So first I am going to settings, details, users. So you can see two users are there. So I am going to delete the user called Java Forum. So click the unlock button. See here, remove user button is enabled. So click the remove user button. Okay. So you can see it's asking for something. Do you want to keep Java forum files? So I am selecting delete files. Okay, because I don't want any files. So I am selecting the option delete files. Okay, that's it. You can see user Java forum is got deleted. Let me verify in terminal. CD home. See here, Java forum is deleted with its home directory. Okay. So this is the way you can delete the user with home directory in GUI mode in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system.